With the relaxed lockdown restrictions and life coming back to the new normal, malls and shopping centers, along with a lot of other lifestyle amenities, have reopened their gates for public. I, being a person who loves to go to the mall, be it for shopping, food, movies, and entertainment, was very curious to know how malls are being operated with the new rules and regulations post-pandemic. So here is what you can expect when you visit the mall after the lockdown. I visited Vivana Mall in Thane and it was a weekday after 4 pm. It was my very first time visiting the mall post-lockdown. Since it is a Diwali season, the mall was lit in decoration and decor everywhere embracing the festive season. Along with security checks at the mall did had a body sanitization system where one needs to pass by to be sanitized. It was such a new experience and one of its kind step taken by the mall for the safety of its customers and staff, which was great. Temperature check was taken at the entry and hand sanitizers was also provided before entering the mall. There were new rules imposed by the malls for safety purposes. The floors had stickers indicating the direction that people had to follow and can't take a turn anywhere they want and must follow the path while walking. This was to ensure that the people don't cross one another and maintain the safety and distances. The escalators were marked with cross signs at alternate spaces to maintain social distancing. Hand sanitizer stations were present everywhere around the mall so the people can use it for free and take care of their own safety. And of course, no entry without mask inside the mall. The mall security was also pretty strict about the mask and lane following, which was very impressive and nice to see the mall taking safety measures seriously. Talking about the stores and shopping, almost all the stores were open. Be it the big brands like H&M, Zara, Big Bazaar, Lifestyle, Shopper Shop, and other individual stores like Esbeda, Being Human, Only, Veramoda, and many more. And it felt just like a regular day at the mall. Even though it was a weekday, there were many people shopping inside the mall. There were no massive offers and sales that the store was providing, but no store was empty and had customers inside it shopping after months in the stores physically. I did shop at some of the stores in the mall. Almost all the stores provided with sanitizers before entering and some even had individual temperature checks taken before entering the store. Looking at the clothing in the stores, almost all the stores that I visited had a fantastic collection with cool and stylish trends of 2020. Even though the mall and the stores were closed for months, they did update their clothing pieces according to the new trends and styles. At the billing counter too, social distancing norms were followed and customers had to stand at a safe distance from one another while billing. And also alternate billing counters were open at some stores. The mall and the stores were taking utmost care while being operational, and it must be the duty of its customers too to be safe from the side while visiting the mall. Now with the new rules and regulations, the restaurants and food courts at the mall were all open. The food court area was barricaded from all the sides, and to enter the area, again temperature checks were done and provided with hand sanitizers. The eating arrangements were arranged in such a way that people were distanced from each other while eating. Almost the whole food court at Viviana Mall was operational. There were many who were sitting and eating too, but not as many people as it was before the pandemic. It was a very new and a different experience of visiting the mall post-pandemic. It was scary as well as something new to experience the new normal. Even though we're still battling with the global pandemic and things are starting to get better, it's really up to us how we handle the situation and how we take care of it and bring our life back to normal. I hope you got the experience how visiting the mall nowadays is and got a virtual tour of Vivana Mall post lockdown as well. I hope you enjoyed the video and do give it a like if you did so. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also share with the ones that might find this video helpful, and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Be safe, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.